What if your AI assistant didn't just chat with you, but actually got things done? China just dropped something that might completely redefine what AI agents can do. It's called Super Agent by Genspark, and it's one of the most advanced AI agents we've seen so far. This isn't just a chatbot or a voice assistant. Super Agent is a full-stack autonomous AI system that can think, plan, act, and execute, all on its own. Here's what it can do. Plan an entire trip for you, end-to-end. Call restaurants with a natural, human-like voice. Handle bookings, schedules, and payments without you lifting a finger. And if you're a content creator, you can just type "make a cooking video" and watch it generate a full, high-quality recipe video automatically. And it doesn't stop there. Super Agent just beat OpenAI's operator and Manus AI on the GAIA benchmark, a rigorous test for real-world multi-step reasoning and execution. Yes, you heard that right. Genspark's agent outperformed some of the biggest players in the AI space. Why is this a big deal? Because we're not just talking about an assistant anymore. We're talking about AI that can use tools, make decisions, take action, and adapt to real-world goals, all without constant human prompting. It's like having a team of experts in your pocket, ready to execute anything from booking your vacation to building your next project. If you thought AI agents were impressive before, Super Agent takes things to a whole new level. So, what would you use it for first? Travel planning, content creation, productivity? Let me know in the comments. And if this video got you curious about where AI is headed next, like the video, share it with a fellow tech enthusiast, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of intelligent automation. Because this is just the beginning.